What is going on, everybody? Man, we are out here to do something a little different today. I've got with me my waders, backpack, fishing rod, and a basket. And I brought a magnet too. So, I am out here at Salt River. I'm gonna walk along the bank and probably in the river a little bit. I'm gonna try to fish, but I am only going to fish with what I find. Let's hope I find some good baits. That's my whole plan. Find some good baits, fish with some good baits, and maybe bring home a basket full of fish. White bass are running. This is gonna be fun. Man, I wanna thank all y'all for hanging out with me. This is gonna be great. All right, let's go. All right, got the waders on, got my basket. Let's head to the river. Nice little muddy walk. Well-worn path. You can tell that the white bass have been running, and they have been running furiously right now. So, let me go ahead and apologize for all the wind noise because I'm sure it's terrible. Hopefully it won't be as bad once we get down around the river, in the river, up in these trees. Let's go find some baits, catch some fish. Look how pretty that is. Man. All right, here's the first two finds. You got a black rooster tail and a big white crankbait. So I think we're gonna throw the rooster tail on and see what we can catch. Get the rooster tail tied on. Let's get the casting and see if we can catch anything. I think I see another bait here. There we go. Got a little swim bait here. Throw that in the pocket and keep on going. I see another rooster tail. Heck yeah. Another rooster tail in a tree. All right. That one looks brand new. Let's see if we can get that dude down. Oh, dang. Little shake, and it fell straight out of the tree on me. Heck yeah. Another brand new rooster tail. Get that up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little swim bait. Heck yeah. You see a line over here. Let's see what's attached to it. Let's see. Is there anything up in there? Looks like, I'll zoom in for you. Can you see that rooster tail? Let's see if we can reach it. Yeah. Nice little chartreuse rooster tail. Add that to the collection. All right, I see some baits up in this tree. Let's try to get them down. All right, got a few little baits this go around. Didn't even see that rattle trap up there until I got moving some stuff around and it rattled. So we'll keep looking up and keep finding some baits. Nice little road runner, little jig, little bloody shad rattle trap. There is an interesting find. Somebody's sunglasses lenses. I wonder if we can find the rest of it. We'll get that out. Something else I did not expect to find. Here is half a rod. Wonder if the other half's here. Got line on it. That was a bad day fishing. For sure, a bad day fishing right there. Quick intermission here. Today's video is sponsored by David Risky of Risky's Business in Pleasureville, Kentucky. I appreciate you letting me borrow your waders. You're awesome, man. And I just found the other half of that rod. Nice. All right, got my first few baits. We got rooster tail. We got a couple flies. Throw those in. Not bad. Mini crankbait. It's kind of cool. Just caught my first one. Knew it would happen eventually. Finally got my first one. Catching. Oh, y'all limit out? Nice.
Close.
Other finds, we got a yellow rooster tail, nice Rapala crankbait, and a little hula popper. There's another Rapala. And there's a couple more baits. We have got a bunch. So, pretty uneventful day fishing, but a very eventful day finding baits. Look at all these white rooster tails. You get the white crankbait, a couple of the Rapalas, multicolored. Got a couple of the black rooster tails, multicolored rooster tails. So many jigs and flies. The one lens, and the whole entire fishing rod. So, pretty eventful. I'm probably gonna reuse a lot of this stuff. Oh, and I found a new friend. Just hanging out here at the parking lot at Palmer Road. He's a friendly little guy. So, that was awesome, man. I appreciate you guys for hanging out with this video for me. Awesome time, lots of baits found. Lots of baits going in my tackle box. So, I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you next time.